Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to backup your installed device drivers in Windows 11 and Windows 10 using PowerShell and the built-in DISM command. This method does not require any third-party software. You can create a backup of your installed third-party drivers and save it to a folder, external drive or USB flash drive. This can be especially useful before reinstalling Windows or making major changes to your system. So let's get started. First, we need to create a folder where Windows will save the driver backup. So first, open the File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E and then go to the C drive. Right click on empty area, select new and then folder option. Name it driver backup. Then press enter. Now close the File Explorer. Now click the start button and type PowerShell. In the search results, right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. When the user account control appears, click the Yes. In the PowerShell, type DISM online export driver destination and then path of the folder that you have created. After that, press enter on the keyboard. I will put this one command in this one video description also, so in case you need it, you can copy it from there. Windows will now scan your system and export the installed third-party drivers to the driver backup folder depending on the number of drivers installed on your PC. This process may take some time. Once the operation is completed successfully, open the C drive. Then open the driver backup folder. Here you will find separate folders containing the exported driver files. You can now copy this entire driver backup folder to an external hard drive, USB flash drive or another safe location. Now let's see how you can use this backup to install a driver later. Open the device manager by right clicking the start button and selecting device manager. Now find the device whose driver you want to install or update, such as Bluetooth. Select it, right click and then click update driver. Now click the browse my computer for drivers. After that, click on the browse button, locate the C drive and driver backup folder, then click OK. Ensure to check this one option that says include subfolders. After that click the next button. Windows will search the backup folder and its subfolders for a compatible driver. If a suitable driver is found, Windows will install it, and that's it. Using this method, you can back up your installed third-party device drivers in Windows 11 or Windows 10 without installing any additional software. If you are planning to reinstall Windows, I recommend saving the driver backup folder to another drive or external storage so that the backup is still available after reinstalling Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.